Risded. Risded, an eminent poetess, seer, and philosopher of Kashmir, who lived through the 20th century, was shrouded in mystery. It was only 12 years after her death that her literary compositions first saw the light of the day. For a while it seemed that the illustrious Lalded of the 14th century had taken yet another birth. Born in Srinagar in 1880, Risded, literally meaning noble lady, was undoubtedly a loving, unsophisticated woman with tremendous yogic powers. She blessed all, irrespective of caste or creed, and wished everyone well. She never uttered a harsh word, lived a saintly life, and quietly passed away in 1966. Her real name was Sampath Devi. Risded composed 450 delectables, works, using the common man's language, which is still in vogue in the valley. These works, compiled by a poet and family friend, Prithvinath Kaul Sail, were published by her son, Hari Krishan Fani, in book form at the end of 1980, her birth centenary year. Actually, the number of works was much higher, 1,000 according to her son, but many of them were unfortunately lost to posterity due to reasons beyond human ingenuity. The husband of Risded, Janardhan Kaul Sagar, was also a poet in his own right. He was well versed in Urdu, Persian, Arabic, and English, besides Hindi and Sanskrit, and translated several books into different languages while in the service of Nizam of Hyderabad. He died in 1918 when Risded was only 38. Now she was alone and woebegone by spiritual beacons guided her. She hid her agony of her soul in the deep recess of her heart. The whole burden of the household had suddenly fallen on her weak shoulders. Unmindful of her grief, she plied the spinning wheel round the clock to keep the wolf away. Her son was still in his teens. As the time passed by, she got Hari Krishan married. The latter found a job too, but was posted mostly in far-flung areas. By then, Risded had shown signs of aging, and her daughter-in-law, Dhanvati, was obliged to stay back in Srinagar to look after her. Plying the spinning wheel contributed to be part of the daily routine of Risded. She poured forth her pent-up anguish in the shape of works, while the wheel of her life revolved, emanating a low, weeping sound. Dhanvati watched this phenomenon with amazement. Whenever she was free from household chores, she recorded in Devanagari what Risded murmured. This process continued for 30 years. She would slyly deposit the papers in a wooden almirah, layer upon layer, without caring to let anyone know what transpired within the four walls. Risded passed away, unsung and unwept, at the ripe age of 86, and Dhanvati forgot all about the invaluable treasure lying at the mercy of the moths. 12 years later, while on her deathbed, she mustered courage enough to divulge the secret to her husband, and the 400 odd works were rescued from the clutches of white ants. Following are some of the representative works of the poetess in English translation together with the original by Pandit T. N. Kaul. Courtesy Koshur Samachar.
वो क्षण मनुष्य क्षुन रावान स्वभाव क्षुन मनुष्य संग्रावान मर्ग छु अमाय वर्ग वाला रूप छु अंदरी अंदरी संदरावा शन मनुष्य छुन रावा स्वभाव छुन मनुष्य संदरावा मर्ग छु अमाय वर्ग वाला रूप छु अंदरी अंदरी संदरावा
Greed does not detract from a man's lifespan, nor does temperament make him stale. Only the death of near ones dashes him down, the hidden melody hollowing his interior.
विश्वाच निश्चय विश्वाच श्रद्धा विश्वाच साहस प्रतीत आशा विश्वाच साधन अनान सिद्धि सफलता विश्वाच स्वयंभू आत्मज्ञान प्रत्यम
Confidence is firm resolve, trust and faith. Confidence is courage, belief and hope. Confidence is vehicle for achieving success. Confidence is self-existence, an ideal for realization.
कमुच प्रफ छुमादस लहकारान मुख प्रच्छु करान अडिजन सूर कुडुरवनुन शुभ्यसुर गृनागारान शनि शनि गालान्य फलवनूर.
The stroke of the whip raises veils on the flesh, but the blow of the tongue pounds the very bone. Harsh words are discordant and breed hatred, slowly eclipsing the brilliant light of love.
युस दिय पज छाक सुइच मुजाहिद पोस छु खुदाई क्याज खुदाई चुवाहिद नेकी छन रामा नेकी छपोजीमान यो होई म्योन दीन मजहब अच्छु खुदा शाहिद.
He who raises the voice of truth is a crusader. Truth is God because God is one. A kind deed never goes waste. Kindness is true faith. It's my religion and God bears testimony to this.